Hello everyone, welcome to Produkte 2019. We are here at the KFA2 booth, and today I'm going to introduce our latest flagship Hall of Fame series graphics card, the KFA2 GeForce RTX 2018 Ti Hall of Fame 10th year anniversary edition. This special edition is to celebrate the 10th year of launching the Hall of Fame series. And this is KFA2's first product to feature a hybrid cooling system, which means you can use air cooling out of stock, and at a later time you can upgrade it by connecting to a full water cooling system to improve performance. Like the previous of Hall of Fame graphics card, it has very high out-of-the-box frequency, and it is a hell of a monster with very amazing performance. We decided its outlook with a special G-style silver-plated RGB logo, which also indicates KFA2 Hall of Fame products from the 2010 to 2019. It has a USB Type-C connector and also a special button here. And this button is connected to our special HOF AI chipset, which while working with our HOF AI suite software together, you can do so customization on the temperature and performance control. Okay, it has a triple PCIe 8-pin connector to make sure the card gets enough power, as it uses a 16-phase digital PWM to provide all the power to the GPU.
Dieses Video wird euch von Patriot Viper Gaming und deren DDR4 RGB Arbeitsspeichern präsentiert. Der wahlweise schwarze oder weiße Kühlkörper sorgt für niedrige Temperaturen, während die in 5 Zonen anpassbare RGB-Beleuchtung optische Highlights setzt. Weitere Infos erhaltet ihr in der Infokarte.
On the back you can see a RGB illuminated special 10th year logo in celebrating the Hall of Fame 10th year anniversary, and also a metal white color backplate to give some reinforcements to the PCB. We will be launching it on shelf very soon. Stay tuned, and thank you everyone.